In a dramatic turn today, the Enforcement Directorate (ED) made headlines by arresting Trinamool Congress MLA Jeevan Krishna Saha amid the throes of ongoing School Service Commission recruitment scandal in West Bengal. The ED conducted a raid on August 25, 2025 at Saha's residence in Burwan, Murshidabad. The operation lasted nearly 5 hours. During the raid, Saha attempted to flee, scaled a boundary wall, tossed his mobile phone into a drain or bush, and ran into a nearby field, getting caught covered in mud. Former history of Saha had previously been arrested by the CBI in April 2023, thrown 2 phones into a pond during that raid, and granted bail by the Supreme Court in May 2024 after 13 months in custody. The present action by ED focuses on the money trail and evidence of financial irregularities in teacher recruitment. After being produced in Bangshal Court, he was remanded to ED custody for 6 days or until 30th of August. The scandal centers on alleged multiple lakhs rupees bribes collected from the candidates for teacher recruitment in state-aided schools. ED also claims Saha collected approximately 46 lakhs from 8 candidates with amounts ranging from 1 lakh to 12.5 lakhs. Around 26 lakhs were transferred to his wife's account in 2020, other sums parked in his father's account. The ED expanded investigations with raids on his in-laws' residence, his aunt Maya Saha's home in Birbhum, and the bank employee's Mahesh village home. TMC stands labeled the arrest as vendetta politics ahead of state elections, accusing central agencies of acting as BJP affiliates. BJP's reaction: Shubhendu Adhikari called Saha a Trinamool chore, accused him of being a collector of top TMC leadership, including CM Mamata Banerjee's nephew, calling the system corrupt. TMC spokesperson Kunal Ghosh questioned the timing of the arrest shortly after a Prime Minister's rally, suggesting political motivations. Ongoing investigations point to a larger network, including other accused TMC leaders like Partho Chatterjee and Manik Bhattacharya. So, political fallout with 2026 West Bengal Assembly polls approaching, the scale of corruption and legal proceedings may impact public trust and voter sentiments. So, ED's arrest of Jeevan Krishna Saha underscores persistent concerns about corruption in teacher recruitment across West Bengal. As investigations deepen and political tensions rise ahead of elections, all eyes remain on the courts and public sentiment. We will continue tracking courtroom developments, digital forensics, and emerging reveals in the days ahead.